House Fix with Rick.
Have you ever had a situation in your home where maybe you have guests over and they think the house is haunted, things are moving by their own? I mean, you don't know, like this. Doors, how inconvenient. You're carrying a load of groceries in the house, your door you thought was latched closed, and you're walking in, can't see your way, and you walk into an open door. Well, there's a way to take care of that. Interior doors that open by themselves like that way, can be fixed very easily. It's one of those jobs you can almost say, it's going to take me all day, significant other, so you better just go away and let me do it, and you can be done in just a minute or two, and then watch the game or whatever show you're watching. Let's change this door's problem by working on the center hinge pin here. We'll take that pin out and I'll show you what you do to fix that self-closing door. We want to remove the hinge pin here, and then we're going to take it out and we're going to hit it with a hammer in the middle, and that's going to put a slight bend in it, causing some friction, helping that hinge to not allow that ease of operation. So the first thing we're going to do is try to take the hinge pin out. And whether you use a screwdriver, I've got a punch here, and we're going to try to hit underneath the knuckle, if you will, of the hinge, and drive that up. I like to use a pair of pliers then. And grab under there. We take the hinge pin out like that. Now let's go in the other room. I don't want to hit it with the hammer on this porcelain tile in this room, so we're going to go in another room and we're going to bend that hinge pin. Come on, let's watch. And the idea is to bend it a little bit. And those hinge pins are really hard steel, so you may have to work a little bit at it. But what I do is I take a block of wood, and the idea is to try to hit it somewhere in the middle, and I'm using the one block of wood to stabilize that hinge pin while I hit it so that it doesn't bounce away from it. I mean, you just take a hammer and hit it like that, and that's all it takes to bend it just slightly, so that now when you put that back into the knuckles of the butt hinge there, it will cause enough resistance that the door will stay wherever you open it. Let's put it back in and see if we solved our problem. Place that hinge there. Hopefully I didn't block you out. Now let's see. We didn't take care of our door. I guess the ghosts are gone. Hey, thanks for listening to another House Fix with Rick.
Don't know what to buy or where to get help? Check out our RICK-amendations below.